Yachts, history, models, features, ownership, and future. Yachts are synonymous with luxury, wealth, and adventure. From their historical origins to their modern-day grandeur, yachts have evolved into symbols of opulence and status. Below is a detailed overview of yachts, including their history, models, features, ownership, and future trends. History of yachts. The history of yachts dates back to the 17th century. The term yacht originates from the Dutch word jacht, meaning hunting ship. Initially, yachts were small, fast vessels used by the Dutch Navy for both military and recreational purposes. Over time, yachts became associated with the wealthy elite and evolved into luxurious vessels. In the 19th century, yacht racing gained popularity in Britain, turning it into a prestigious sport. By the 20th century, yachts incorporated advanced technology and lavish designs, making them a favorite among the global elite. Types of yachts and their features. Yachts come in various sizes, designs, and functionalities. Here are some popular types and their features. Sailing yachts, powered by wind, sails. These yachts are eco-friendly and ideal for long voyages. Examples: Perini Navy, Royal Hoosman. Features: classic design, environmentally sustainable, suitable for long-distance travel. Motor yachts, powered by engines. These yachts are faster and more luxurious. Examples: Azimuth, Sunseeker, Ferretti. Features: modern interiors, advanced technology, high speed. Super yachts. These are massive, luxurious yachts, typically over 24 meters in length. Examples: Eclipse, Azam, Vilbar. Features: helipads, swimming pools, cinemas, submarines, and other luxury amenities. Expedition yachts, built for long voyages in challenging conditions. Examples: Nordhamn, Damon. Features: robust design, high fuel capacity, ideal for exploration. Catamaran yachts. These yachts have dual hulls, offering greater stability. Examples: Lagoon, Leopard. Features: spacious interiors, low fuel consumption, comfortable for cruising. Yacht ownership around the world. Yachts are owned by billionaires, business tycoons, and celebrities worldwide. Here are some notable yachts and their owners. Yacht ownership in the UK. Roman Abramovich, his yacht, Eclipse, is one of the most expensive and largest yachts in the world, valued at approximately $1.5 billion. It features a helipad, submarine, and missile defense system. Sir Philip Green, his yacht, Lionheart, is a 90-meter luxury superyacht with 12 cabins for guests. Yacht ownership in India. Mukesh Ambani, India's richest man, owns the Indian Empress, a 95-meter superyacht with 12 cabins, a gym, and a cinema hall. Vijay Mallya formerly owned the Indian Empress, which was later sold due to financial issues. Yacht ownership in the USA. Bill Gates, the Microsoft co-founder, owns Serene, a $330 million superyacht with 7 cabins, a helipad, and an ice room. Jeff Bezos, the Amazon founder, owns Flying Fox, one of the largest and most luxurious. Jeff Bezos, the Amazon founder, owns Flying Fox, one of the largest and most luxurious yachts in the world, measuring 136 meters with 25 cabins, a gym, and a large swimming pool. Yacht prices. Yacht prices vary based on size, design, and features. Smaller yachts can cost a few $100,000, while superyachts can cost hundreds of millions. For example, Azam, the world's largest yacht, is valued at approximately $600 million. Benefits of owning a yacht. Luxury. Yachts offer state-of-the-art amenities like jacuzzis, cinemas, and gyms. Privacy. Yachts provide complete privacy for owners and their guests. Status symbol. Owning a yacht is a sign of wealth and prestige. Versatility. Yachts can be used for leisure, business meetings, or hosting events. Maintenance and costs of yachts. Maintaining and operating a yacht is expensive. Costs include fuel, crew salaries, insurance, and repairs. The annual cost of running a superyacht can reach millions of dollars. The future of yachts. The future of yachts is tied to advancements in technology and sustainability. Electric and hybrid yachts are being developed to reduce environmental impact. Additionally, artificial intelligence, AI, and autonomous systems are being integrated into yachts for enhanced functionality and safety. Top yacht manufacturers. Lürssen, a German company known for building the world's largest and most expensive yachts. Fedship, a Dutch company specializing in luxury superyachts. Vanetti, an Italian company renowned for its luxurious yachts. Oceanco, a Dutch company known for building large, innovative yachts. Popular yacht destinations. Monaco, a hub for yacht racing and exhibitions. Miami, USA, a popular destination for yacht owners and enthusiasts. Dubai, known for its luxury yacht shows and events. Tips for buying a yacht. Budget. Consider the purchase price and ongoing maintenance costs. Purpose, decide whether the yacht will be used for leisure, business, or long voyages. Size, choose a yacht size that suits your needs. Features, prioritize modern features like helipads, swimming pools, and cinemas. Conclusion: yachts are more than just vessels, they are symbols of luxury, adventure, and status. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to the channel.